So, crockpot meals are back. Meet Jill Jr.
Hey!
Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today is our second weekend here in Charlotte, and we are going to an anime convention. I found out about this convention we were still living in Augusta, and I was like, oh my gosh, we gotta go do this. And it's perfect because it's the last weekend before they start school. So we have our little last hurrah, and yeah, I gotta start getting back to work too. So them getting back to school, me getting back to work, like big time. So we are gonna go. It's downtown, which Charlotte calls their downtown uptown. Well, I don't know, but that's just what we're gonna go with. So we're going uptown Charlotte. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I don't really like to drive downtowns because they always freak me out because of the parking situation and all that stuff. But it's gonna be at a hotel, and I know there's a parking deck. Let's just pray that we're early enough that we have parking and that we don't have to try to find it elsewhere, because we'll be in trouble. Not really. We'll figure it out. But yeah, you guys are coming along with us this weekend. Tomorrow, there's so many things I want to do tomorrow. There's like this murder mystery dinner at Dave & Buster's that I want to go to. Then there's like this sunflower field about an hour and a half away that I want to go to. So I don't know, but we're going to do something fun tomorrow too. So this is definitely going to be a weekend vlog, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So let's get to it and let's head on uptown.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is the city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place.
Oh, look, y'all, we made it. Oh my gosh, we made it, y'all. I thought I was about to have, I don't know, like I was white knuckling it the whole time on the interstate because we had to go here and then here and then here and then here. Oh my gosh, I don't mind driving downtown. It's getting to downtown and all of those like
Turns and like...
Yeah, all of the turns, and get onto this interstate and get onto this street
on the
and
map,
like this, like all these bridges, and then oh shit.
On the map,
get my card out. Get my card out.
On the map, why it's so confusing is because it's just
This
all.
sucks. It literally said $5.
You said your wallet.
Yeah. I put it back here. What the heck?
Okay, here it is.
Oh my god. We're gonna have to walk.
Or be fine. Oh wow, look at all this like. I'm so excited.
My friend,
Thank
just
you.
don't let anybody go.
Oh, that person's got the outfit.
This is insane, y'all. I have never seen anything like this. I usually go to concerts and stuff like that. I've never been to a convention like this. But this is actually really cool. Okay, I'm just going to follow that person, I think.
What person?
That person right there that was in front of me. I don't know what I'm doing.
Are you able to go park in here? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a parking garage.
Okay, because at first I thought you were just parking here. Yeah.
I don't like parking garages, I'm not going to lie.
I'm so excited.
But I'm going to follow this person. Whoa, there are so many people. Anyways, I was white knuckling it the whole entire time.
Oh, the lighting's really bad.
Oh, you can't see me, so I'll talk to you guys later, but proceed to second level. Yeah, we gotta go to the second level.
And me and Jack will get stony, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back while I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion and it's mine.
We're back and we made it, and the ride home was not bad at all. The ride there, but the ride back was a breeze. So I'm gonna show you guys this. I got home, I checked the mail, and I was like, ooh, I don't play when it comes to my lashes, y'all. These lashes in particular, they have been sold out for so long. I am currently wearing my last pair, and I have been, I mean, gosh, I haven't worn makeup in forever. So I was really being cautious and trying to save. Those are huge. Okay, 90s babies, check this out. Are we being reminded of anything? Cause Lord knows I am. I mean, the weight of these things alone is bringing back all of the memories. Those are huge on her. Exactly. That's exactly this. Hold on. That's exactly how I used to dress, if y'all ever want to know. Chuck Taylors or some Vans, those kind of pants, and a tighter shirt up top. Meet Jill Jr. They look good. But yeah, so I purchased 30 of them. First of all, they're only $1 a piece, you guys. I'm telling you, if you are sleeping on these lashes, sleep no more. I have literally been using these for, oh my gosh, I want to say like 7 years now. It's been so freaking long. Good morning. Happy Sunday. So it is 9:50. We are having a slow start to today. We're going to head on over to Target, get some cereal, some milk. I'm doing a bunch of crock pot meals since it's that time of year. I was going to upload them. No, I'm going to upload them here. So crock-pot meals are back, and I'm really, really excited for the ones that I picked out. I'm so excited for them. So hopefully you guys will love them and are excited that they're coming back. We're gonna head on out. I'm gonna eat some breakfast real quick, and then we're gonna head on out to Target, get Ava some school supplies, and I will check in with you guys later. So we just came out of Target. I didn't vlog much in there. It was so packed. It was so crowded. More than half of the school supplies were gone.
No, way more than like...
Yeah, way more than half. It was a ridiculous amount. Currently in Starbucks line to get Ava some Starbucks. They were already waiting in the line at Target, and it looked like it barely moved. So I was like, let's get out of there. Let's go in this other line, and this one's not moving. I'm cranky. Do you guys ever have those days where you're just cranky? Like, my back is literally drenched. It was so hot in that store. It's so hot outside. My thermostat literally reads 78. So it's not the heat, it's the humidity. The humidity kills me every single time. All right, I'm gonna stop complaining. But for real though, that convention has worn me the heck out. We barely moved.
I'm just saying. If I stood in that line, I would have gotten it by now. We would have been out of there.
Yeah, I know. I should have let him stand in the line. Hey. Anyways, I'm gonna sit in this line and get my baby some Starbucks. Some Starbies. Can I get a vanilla bean frappe with hazelnut syrup? And
You're out of hazelnut right now. Great.
Ava, you're out of hazelnut syrup. What do you want?
We do have brown sugar, vanilla, caramel, classic, or the liquid cake.
Do like brown sugar.
I'll do you said brown sugar vanilla?
We have the brown sugar or the vanilla.
Oh, you said vanilla? I'll do vanilla. And do you guys have sprinkles?
No, but you got a vanilla bean frap, so it already comes with like vanilla bean powder in it, so.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have that. And then can I also get a birthday cake pop?
We do not have any cake pops right now.
Do you want this at all, Ava? You sure? Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so just a grande vanilla bean frap.
Yes.
Anything else for you?
That is all.
So it'll be $4.76 for you, so no.
Thank you.
That's crazy.
That's what she wanted. And she couldn't get basically that at all. So back from Target and Starbies. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this so I can have Control put this up. But I got him one, and I also got myself one. So Control, you can go ahead and put that on your bed, and then one on my bed. And then this is the rest. Like I said, I've got like the majority of groceries from Walmart that's coming tomorrow. But the kids needed milk and cereal. So one picked out, I think Ava picked that one out, and this one Control picked out. So Ava needed 4 composition notebooks. So we were able to find that. This is for Ava for her lunch today. It's just chicken tenders. Here you go. How's your Starbies? Frappe. It's good. I had to celebrate our move and the kids starting school tomorrow, and it's the start of a new, oh my gosh, Ava's starting middle school, Control starting high school. So I had to do something for us for tonight. So they picked these out from the bakery. It's just a cookie sandwich cookie. So this one's Ava's, this one's Control's. Then I got a little mint cupcake and 2 little macaroons. This is my lunch. I couldn't decide which one I wanted because I really wanted cream cheese, but then I also really wanted to try this, so I got both. I'm gonna do probably half. This was also on Ava's school list. We were able to find them, so that's going. The only next thing, I got some Clorox wipes and some tissues, which are down in the car for her teachers. And then I have glue sticks on the way from Walmart tomorrow. But Target they were out of pretty much everything. Anyways, I got this for my body pillow. It's just a body pillow cover. These I got for Ava. These are like middle school essentials. So she got some hand sanitizer, a little thing of deodorant, a little thing of chapstick, which I told her she really didn't need this because we have tons of chapstick in this house, but she wanted it. Oh, a thing of gum. I just dropped. There's Bella. Hey. Hey, sweet girl. What are you doing? Okay, so gum, and then this little makeup bag that she's going to put in her book bag, so she has all of her middle school essentials. And can y'all believe my baby is starting middle school? I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. Okay, so Ava needed a comforter, so I got her this, and Control really didn't need one, but you know, I still got him one. They were only 15 bucks, so went ahead and got that. And then I also got paper towels for us. And that's everything. We'll probably go swimming later because it is so freaking hot out there. Can y'all see? I'm so hot. I'm so hot. I'm so miserable. I complain a lot when it's hot out.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You say sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes.
So that will do it for this vlog, you guys. I cannot believe that my kids are officially going back to school tomorrow. I did a little cheers, a little toast. I started crying. I'm gonna miss the memories. No, I'm not gonna miss the memories. I have the memories. I'm gonna miss me and Cantrell sitting there while I would edit. He would be downstairs with me doing his homework. So yeah, I'm gonna miss it. And we did a little toast, and it's like a whole new chapter for all of us, you guys. So definitely keep my kids in your prayers for their first day, which I already know by the time that you guys see this, their first day has already happened. But they're seriously the most amazing kids I could ever, like, I'm just so grateful for them. I'm so grateful that they're as kind and as sweet and as helpful as they are. And I'm gonna miss them like crazy, and I'm not gonna cry right now, although you can guarantee there are gonna be some tears shed tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Next weekend, I have plans to go meet up with a single parents meetup, so wish us luck in that too. I will definitely vlog the experience and all of that, and hopefully we will meet some friends and make some friends. So anyways, love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.